Boost your English fluency. Master vocabulary and idiomatic expressions through role-playing. Hello, English learners from all over the world. Welcome to another exciting lesson on improving your vocabulary and idiomatic expressions. Today, we're going to make learning fun through role-playing and conversation activities. This will not only help you remember words and phrases better, but also boost your confidence in using the language. Let's dive right in. Role-playing, in simple terms, is acting out or performing a particular role. This activity is a wonderful way to practice English vocabulary and idioms in a realistic, interactive way. By participating in different scenarios, you get a chance to use the language as you would in real-life situations. Remember, the key is practice, practice, practice. The more you use these new terms and expressions, the easier they'll come to mind in your daily conversations. Before we dive into the main role-playing activities, let's get warmed up with some everyday conversations. Here, you'll practice common dialogues like asking for directions, ordering food, or discussing hobbies. Try to use a few new vocabulary words or idioms in each conversation. Here's an example. Person 1. What's cooking? Person 2. I'm planning our next trip. How about lending me a hand? In this example, what's cooking is a casual way of asking what's happening, and lend me a hand means to help someone. Practicing with these kinds of phrases can add flair to your English speaking skills. Now that we're warmed up, let's move on to the main activity. Here, you'll participate in role-playing scenarios. Each scenario will target specific vocabulary and idioms. For instance, you can pretend to be a journalist interviewing a famous actor, or a customer negotiating with a salesperson. Here's a brief example. Journalist, your latest movie is making waves. How does it feel to be in the limelight? Actor, it's certainly an eye-opener. But, you know, it's not all it's cracked up to be. In this example, making waves means having a significant impact. In the limelight refers to being in the public eye. Eye-opener signifies a surprising revelation. And, it's not all it's cracked up to be, means it's not as good as people say it is. Finally, let's get creative with some improvisation challenges. In this section, you'll be given a situation and a list of vocabulary and idioms to use within your dialogue. This is a fun and challenging way to test your understanding and quick thinking skills. Example. Situation. Convincing your boss to give you a day off. Vocabulary. Idioms. Burning the candle at both ends. On my last legs. Need a breather. Now, try to construct a conversation using these phrases. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson on improving vocabulary and idiomatic expressions through role-playing. Remember, language learning should be fun and engaging, so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try these activities. Happy learning, and until next time, keep practicing and keep speaking.